until at last Pooh fell fast asleep and began to dream.
Heffalumps and woozles, heffalumps and woozles, steal honey. Beware, beware.
They're black, they're out, they're out, they're in, they're out, they're all about, they're far, they're near, they're gone, they're here, they're quick and slick, they're in, sincere. Beware, 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 beware. A heffalump or woozle is very unusual. A heffalump or woozle's very sly. They clumps in buns and toozles, but evade so chooses. Before your eyes you'll see them multiply. They're extraordinary, so better be wary, because they come in every shape and size. If money's what you covet, you'll find that they love it, because they love so love the thing you rise. They're green, they're blue, they're pink, they're white, they're round, they're square, they're terrible size.
They tie themselves in horrible knots.
They come in stripes. Beware, 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 beware. Because they come in every shape and size. If money's what you covet, you'll find that they love it, because they love so much the things you prize. They're black, they're out, they're out, they're in, they're out, they're all about, they're far, they're near, they're gone, they're here, they're quick and slick, they're sincere. Beware, 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 beware.
Is it raining in there? It's raining out here, too.